Hi, welcome to Auntie Nat's Crochet. Thank you for choosing this tutorial video. Allow me to teach you how to play with yarn. Do subscribe to my channel. The subscribe button is over here at this corner. And do check out my other videos too. They are all as informative and fun to learn as this video. Today, I am not doing any special project. It's just a crochet hacks. Someone recently asked that because she bought a base, that the hole is too small for the hook to go through. So not everyone has a full sets of hooks, you know, like from small to the largest, the biggest hook, you know. Most people would have that 2-3 hooks, and they somehow none of the hooks can go through this hole here, and you have bought the base. So I found out that you can actually do this. I mean, you can give it a try. So long your yarn can go through a needle, doesn't matter if it's a tapestry needle or just a normal needle, depending on what type of yarn you're using. If it's cotton yarn or fluffy yarn, it's not a problem. But if it's nylon yarn and all those thick type of yarn, you might have a little bit of problem unless you can find those needle that has bigger holes, slightly bigger holes, but you have to make sure your needle can go through this hole. Okay, so this is how you start. You get your yarn. Okay, this is a cotton yarn. You get your yarn, you put through a tapestry needle like this, and you put through the first hole just like how we crochet, you know. You go through, not all of it, you make sure this tail is behind. You go through it and you go back. Okay, you go back and make sure these two strands stays this side, and you go find out who this belongs to. And does it belong to this one, this strand, or this strand? Okay, I found it. It's this strand. So hold on to it and pull the rest out. Once you pull out, you have to make sure your needle stays over this side and not this side. If your needle stays over this side, you're in trouble. Then you have to do again. So now my needle is over this side. Okay, so this is my helper. Since I do not have a hook, I mean, if you do not have a hook that can go through this hole, so you just like normal. Oops, sorry, this is the end. Yeah, don't take the wrong strand. You just use this part here like normal, the normal way of crochet, how you crochet your base. You just do a single crochet. So the next stitch, same thing. Okay, let me show you. You use your needle, go through here. And this one, in case you scared that it might go off, you can put a marker to hold it just in case. Okay, now the second hole, you put through the needle. Make sure you have enough yarn to go through and fro, and you come out again. Make sure the whole needle is out of the hole, and you go find out which strand is the one. This is not easy, but it works. So you hold on to this and pull the rest out. Once you pull out, you make very sure the needle is over this side and not here. If your needle is here, you get stuck again. Okay, so you pull it. It will take some time, some getting used to. So here, you know, like your normal crochet, and you pretend you have gone through the hole, pull up a yarn and single crochet there. And this strand here, by right I should just hide it along, but it's not easy because I'm using a needle. Or you can tie a knot, you know, tie a knot somewhere. Okay, we just leave that be first, let it be. So let me show you a few more rounds. You go through here, go through this, make sure you have your strand of this yarn is long enough for your needle to go back through and fro. Hold this, make sure your needle go all the way, and don't lose this part. And again, find out where is this strand. Is it this one? Yep, it's this one. Once you know it's this one, pull the rest out. Once you pull it out, you will find your needle is over this side. Okay, you make sure open this. So it's like you have gone in, you yarn over. Oops, where's my yarn? And you do a single crochet. See? Either you do a single crochet or you do 2 single crochet into the same stitch, whatever your pattern is. Okay, here you just make sure you hide it along with the tapestry needle later on, or at the start you can actually tie a knot if you want. Okay, let me show you again a few more rounds just in case. Okay, be careful here because I didn't manage to pull the whole strand. Okay, in case you're scared you might get lost, just put a just put a marker just in case, and your needle is still here. Okay, it will be here. You let it be here until you crochet the whole back. I mean, you just leave it at the back. So as you go along, you will come to the end of the yarn, and that's when you remove the needle. This needle have to be here for quite a long time. So let me show you the whole row just in case. You put through, again go through, hold this because I do not know which strand is which. Go find out, this belongs to this, hold it, pull this, pull the yarn out, and my needle is over this side. I made it. Crochet is all about patience. If you have patience to do this, you will have patience to do a lot of things, a lot of good things. Everything comes with patience. You can build nothing in a few seconds. You have to take time. Everything takes time, right? So no worry. Calm yourself down. Don't get agitated. I mean, if you have bought a base that comes with a hole that is too small, don't worry. This could be a solution. I'm not sure if your needle can go through. If you can't, you have to go find a needle that can go through, a smaller needle, you know, the normal sewing needle. Okay, you go through, hold on to that yarn, go out again, hold on to this yarn, and go find out which is the one that you want, and the rest you just pull it out and make sure this is over this side. No doubt it might take time, but at least your base won't go to waste. You make sure you pull tight because of the needle here, it won't be that tight anymore, so you pull it tight before you do the next stitch. See, once you get a hang of it, it's easy, right? Pull the needle out. these drops, you make sure you add a marker as soon as possible. Then go find the strand that belongs here. Yes, I made it. Well, in this case, every stitch is a victory, right? I mean, if you put through. So did you get it? You can put in the comment section. Do you think this is the useful method, or do you think this does not really work for you? I mean, when we are in dire straits and there's no other option, well, you can give this a try. Who knows? At least your bag will still come out nice, right? So here, make sure everything is pulled nicely and yarn over there. You still have it nicely. So thank you for watching. Hope this is useful to you. Hope I did help you complete your project. If you have any more questions, no worry. You can put it in the comment section at just about anywhere, even on my tutorial video or on my short videos or on any of my social media. I will try and answer you. I will try my level best to come up with a solution and give you an answer. So thank you for watching. Thanks to the person who asked this question, because it kind of like challenged me to come up with this solution. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next post.